How to apply PowerPoint template to presentation. To begin applying a template to presentation, open first your existing presentation. Choose Format from menu on the top, and click on Slide Design. Browse to select Template. Slide Design will be displayed on the right side of your presentation. Navigate to the template on your computer and click Apply. How to create PowerPoint template to your presentation. To begin creating a template from this blank presentation, you need to jump over to a different view, a Slide Master view. In your Master View group, you could see a button called Slide Master View. Click it and it will open your Slide Master View. What you are seeing here are all of the different master layouts within the blank presentation template. Close the Master View. Go to the Home tab, to that Layout drop-down menu. Here are all of the same layouts that you'll find from that Master View. These layouts are determined from the presentation of the template's Slides Master. They decide what and how many layouts you see here. If you want to change devices you have in this window, you need to adjust layouts from your Master View. So skipping back over to Back View. Now, before we start creating a template, I would like to explain first the difference between a Slide Master and Slide Layout. Over here you will find a slide hierarchy where the top level slide of the topmost slide represents the Slide Master for all of its subordinate layouts below. In other words, the Slide Master controls the background color, the font's effects and placeholder sizes and positioning. If I were to change the title font to Tahoma, drag the title then click the Font Style drop-down menu. Let's change the color of that, and maybe make it bold. Notice that as soon as I make those changes to all subsequent layouts underneath that Slide Master, wherever you have a title placeholder, those title placeholder will match the formatting of the Slide Master. So if you want to make sweeping style changes across all of your slides, just change the Slide Master. If I wanted to insert a picture, click Insert, then click Picture. Choose the picture that you desire. Click the image, then click Insert. Once I place the image in the slide master, that image will appear on every single layout below. If you don't want the image to appear on one particular layout, from that layout selected, go to Background, then click this Hide Background box. And now we gonna undo those individual changes. And I am going to go back up, and design a quick simple template. Just follow on with everything I am doing here right now. Well, let's say I want that image to be in the floating boat. I can insert a rectangle shape. Change the color and remove outline. I want it to look like wave, so I am gonna right click and edit points. To create a boat, I can insert a shape that will look like it. I am gonna change its position. Remove the shape outline and change its color. And right-click and edit points. Click the vote, and send it back. As well as the picture, click it, and send it back. I'm gonna add another shape, that will look like a sun. Click Insert. Click the shape that will look like a sun. Remove the shape outline by clicking No Outline. Change its color into yellow. Click Send to Back. What if you wanted to put a background graphics? Well, just follow on what I am doing here right now. Click Background Style, then click Format Background. From here, you can choose the background graphics that will suit to your created design. You can see the image background here. Remove it by clicking the picture first. Click the Picture Tools format. Then, click Remove Background. Click Keep Changes. You may now save your created PowerPoint template. Hope you learned something from this video tutorial. PowerPoint video tutorial. Created by Maria Socorro Zamora Anciano. New Era Elementary School Congressional District 6.